I asked George to assist me in bringing all of my appliances to my Talisay home. And as we are driving home, we are talking about the recent news that has swept the entire province of Cebu, which is the no overtaking in main roads. Various Facebook pages, Facebook posts, Facebook groups, there have been various opinions liking the move by Mayor Tommy Osmeña. There are also motorists who dislike that move by Tommy Osmeña. And George here tagged me this morning about one attorney's rant. One rant from an attorney saying that the traffic enforcers or the city should not impound the motorcycles or the vehicles or the jeepneys or the taxis, because it is not the vehicle's fault, it is the driver's fault. So the driver should get the ticket and not impound the vehicle. Unfortunately, the Philippines still isn't very systematic when it comes to traffic violations. Unlike in other countries, especially in America, wherein I saw that judge in Providence, I think it was a judge in Providence, they are being tried when they have traffic violations, when they have been ticketed. They are being fined before they are able to renew their licenses. I don't blame Mayor Tommy Osmeña why he's doing this. He's getting influenced by how former Mayor Duterte managed his city. He made several city ordinances so that he can earn money for his city without asking Manila for funds. So in his own way, he made this 30 kilometers per hour drive. He made this no parking. He made the curfews. He made everything to make Davao a more peaceful city. At the same time, when there are violators, he can earn from them. We are having lunch here at Kandingan sa SRP, and there are so many patrons, so many customers. A testament to how good their goat is. Goat? You will eat goat? Interesting restaurant. This is a very religious restaurant, the most religious restaurant here in Cebu, I think. They close on Sundays to celebrate Mass. And if you can hear that, I hope you can hear that, they are playing religious songs all day. I asked...
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I asked what their religion is, and they said they are Christian born again living word. My favorite song. Transferring of my things, thanks to the help of George, and have the workers continue cleaning up the entire unit. There are still so many works that need to be done. The cleaning here. And I hope they will be able to finish this on time before Saturday, and I will have water soon. After putting all my things, all my stuff at the house, we are now at the SMC side. We will try to surprise his girlfriend. She's working here. We're trying to buy something. I don't know what we will give her to surprise her. He will give her to surprise her. We're going now to Blue Magic to buy something. He doesn't know it yet what he will buy, but we will buy it. Oh. Tagsara ng Valentine's. Ito, tago. Tama. Sige. Ablisa. I think it was a successful surprise. Luckily, I encouraged him to visit her here at SMC side at her workplace. And now we will have some coffee.